Hi, in this video we shall be discussing about the different types of sampling techniques. So far, I hope everybody understood the concepts behind the population and sample. We also know why sampling is important. Now, the next question is how do we sample? How do we create samples? What are the different sampling techniques? So, sampling techniques are majorly of two types. One is probability and one is non-probability sampling. Probability sampling basically means every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. Imagine you have an entire population. You want to select some samples out of it. Let's say these are my entire population, and maybe this data, and this data are part of my sample. Now, here, selection of a data point from population to the sample is a probabilistic approach. There are further many types of probability sampling. One of them is simple random sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling, systematic sampling. What are each one of them? We will be covering in the next videos. But the major concept behind this probability sampling is that they are based on probability. Every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected in the sample data. While talking about non-probability sampling, here samples are selected on basis of judgment or the convenience of accessing data. Now, for example, you have a population, you want to only access the data points, or for example, let's say this is your entire population. Let's say you stay in Japan. Now, you only want to, for example, you stay in Tokyo. What if you only want to access the Tokyo population, and then from that you have to select a smaller subset, and then you are selecting a sample? So here you are selecting based on your convenience. As you stay in Tokyo, it is better for you to talk to people from Tokyo and take views, and that's how you are creating your sample. You are not concerned about other cities in Japan. So that is non-probability sampling. What is the probability of another city's data to be a part of sample? It is completely zero because the user is giving priority to Tokyo. I hope you are getting my point. So samples are selected on basis of judgment or convenience of accessing data. Largely depends on a research sample selection skills. Some of the non-probability sampling are convenience sampling, purposive sampling, voluntary response sampling, and snowball sampling. We'll be discussing about each one of them in our future videos as well. That's all about this video on the different types of sampling. In the next videos, we shall be jumping into each one of them and we'll try to understand what each one of them means. See you in the next video.